Securing a bicycle usually comes down to using a D-lock, U-lock, a cable, or a chain. The locking mechanism for each needs careful consideration. These use a combination of numbers on a dial, or a key. The key lock type is generally considered safer than combination lock mechanisms. It's vital for all bicycle owners, especially those with newer bikes, to know that these tend to rely less on solving combination puzzles or lock picks in order to get their hands on your bike than on using brute force or the assistance of bolt cutters or power tools. We've taken a look at most types of bicycle lock here, and have included some helpful tips to adding protection and deterrence to all but the most determined thieves. These include choosing the right location and the physical act of where to place your lock about your bicycle. We've also looked at bike locks with alarms, which offer another deterrent. Combination bike lock. A combination bike lock opens when the numbers on a series of rotating dials are lined up in the correct order and are set to a specific code. The dials are on one of the open ends of the lock, and the bolt is at the other end. The numbers come preset from the factory and are relatively easy to reset. More dials means more security. Most people will set their dials to an easily remembered number, and the code can then be shared with anyone without needing to be present. Combination locking mechanisms usually come with 3, 4, or 5 rotating dials. Are combination bike locks safe? Combination bike locks are considered to be the least safe option on the market. Even manufacturers suggest that they be used as secondary forms of security. Unlocking them requires the least amount of skill, and they take a shorter amount of time to crack. Additional security should be considered. Combination locking mechanisms do not feature regularly in the industry's recognized sold secure gold standard for the different types of bicycle lock. Logically, the more dials a lock has, a higher number of possible combinations it has. Key bike lock. A key bike lock mechanism will move you up the security scale in comparison to a combination version. The key is usually round or cylindrical, but flat versions, like ordinary keys, are also very popular. The key usually slips into a locking mechanism, which is usually more resistant to cracking than a combination lock. Manufacturers usually supply 2 keys with a new product, and many offer a replacement key policy if they go missing. Depending on your point of view, having to carry a key around can be a pain. The locking mechanism could benefit from a squirt of lubricant every few months. Combination vs key bike locks. Like most purchases, the choice of lock will be based on many factors, budget being one of them. For all of the different types of bike lock you can buy, the combination or key locking mechanism is available on all of them. A key lock mechanism beats a combo version in all instances. We would strongly recommend looking through the sold secure guidance to inform any buying choice. Some suggest choosing a price point at a certain percentage of the bicycle as a guide. 10% has been floated around as a minimum. We should also say that many users will double up their locks to give additional security. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.